This is a gift from my mahal. I have no idea what it is.
3 guesses.
T-shirt, socks, portable blender. I mentioned that like months ago. Thank you, mahal.
Ma, that's mine!
Gel heel protectors. My love cares about my feet.
Okay, if you want to use all of that, then next you will use it also.
Fashion Diva Gloss creatine powder. It's a really good brand too. Optimal Nutrition. Micronized creatine. And last, but certainly not least, I think this would be really good because I've been mixing protein stuff with my cereal. Thank you, mahal.
You're welcome. You happy?
I'm very happy. I'll make a shake tonight.
I love you, darling.
I love you, baby. Bye-bye, audience.